By law, you have to send certified mail. You have to let the tenant know that you are putting them into auction. How did y'all come up with all these late fees? Like, because like I know the numbers have changed, the dates have changed over experience and stuff. So how do y'all
Ha
come up with these late fees?
it's all legal, it's all mandated by the state. So,
Oh, okay, got
yeah,
it.
so you overlock fees is just the fee that we charge to put a lock on. So we came up with that number. I think we just chose, like, 25, but again, I think that's a state thing. You can go look up what you could do. But the late fee
It's in
part
the contract.
is oh, yeah. And, but the late fee is governed by your state. So you could do it all on the 5th, or you could break it up. We broke it up because it's easier to get $5 from somebody than it is to get $25 on the 5th. And we like getting a little bit extra money for them being late. Um, the auction officially starts like when people say when I tell people and tenants that they're late and I'm like it's going to auction, it starts on the 26th of the month. So that means they are 25 days past when they are due. So like so from the second, 25 days later is the 26th. So on the 26th, I go ahead and I send them a certified letter and I create a letter in our system. And I don't know if y'all all have storage or not, but storage has a thing you could go and you could create an auction. It generates the letters for you. You print them out.
Yeah, so
And
so just over there, storage added this feature like maybe a year or two ago. How long was it? Not very long. Like at least,
maybe two
yeah.
years ago.
And they added a feature where you can automate your like auction process. So that's kind of what she's talking about with that sort. Yeah, it's like with the letters and sending the letters. They have a mail house and stuff.
It
Only
you can't do
storage
mail
does
house.
this.
You can't do
Oh,
mail
you
house.
can't do mail house?
It just generates the letters for you, and it also generates one of these. And I'll send these to Stacy so she could have like something to send to everybody. But this is a certified letter firm. So you take this
Mhm.
sheet of paper and you take it to the post office on the 27th because the 26th you're going to be writing addresses because I have to manually write everyone's address on the envelope and then stuff the envelope and then put our stickers and stuff. So
Mhm.
once I have the huge stack of those by facility, then I print out one of these for every facility and I take it down to my local post office, which is actually 30 minutes away because my local ones are stupid and I've trained the one in Sonoya. So I have to drive all the way to
Yeah.
that one because I walk in, they know what I'm doing. And so they make sure that the names of the tenants match the letters that I have. And then they put a stamp on it, which is when I mailed it. And then I pay a small fee. It's like a certified mail fee. Again, you have to print out a whole bunch of legal documents for the post office because every post office is different and they're all stupid. So just go prepared to have an argument and be prepared to state your case. If you want more on that, I can definitely get with Stacy and Pete. We can provide some kind of documentation for that
Oh,
as well.
so what she's talking about, just so everybody knows, is that like for the auction process, like the post office charges like a fee essentially to do your
Just to
auction
mail.
to
No,
mail
just
the
to mail
auction
it. To
to
mail
mail
it
it. Yeah.
certified without having like a certified mail. So this is just putting a regular stamped envelope in the mail, but it's showing us legally that we put it in the mail on this date. So it's the cheaper option than certifying 150 individual
Okay, yeah.
envelopes.
So we're doing the cheap, basically we do the cheaper option. How to send a letter certified mail without certifying mailing the letter.
Pretty
That's what we
much.
do, okay? That's what she's talking about. And because you could otherwise you would have to certify mail every single letter. So by law, you have to send certified mail. You have to let the tenant know that you are putting them into auction. That is what we're talking about right now. Okay. So that's the process that she does, which is actually a lot of work, honestly.
It's a lot. But you can't mail house certified letters. So you can mail house anything else, but you cannot mail house certified.
Okay. Okay, so storage offers two different things. One is auctions, the auction letter where they create the letter for you and then you can download it, print it, and then you can mail it. All right.
Yep,
And then they also have mail house. Mail house is where if you need to mail any letters out, they'll mail that out for you. Storage is the only software that will do that. Okay. Like ESS, Storable, like Hummingbird and all this, they're not going to do this. But because, just so you know, only storage does this. So we take advantage of it because, like, Bonnie's a busy lady. We got 16 facilities. So as much as we can, we take advantage of within what storage offers is what we're saying.
Hey everybody, this is Stacy here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am here to teach you how to get your foot into this industry. You're watching this video because you want to learn how to get started in self-storage investing, or maybe you own facilities and you want to be a better manager, a better owner. That is what I do, is I teach people how to do that. So please like this video and also subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because that's what YouTube wants. So in order for me to get out the word on how to get started in this industry, I really need your help. Again, I appreciate you listening to me, and I'm here to help you on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.